Right, let's have a look at the garden wing room at the Contemporary then. So this is the car park. It's actually a separate car park that you go in when you're staying in the garden wing. So as you can see, that's the garden wing there, and then literally that's the main hotel there. So you go in a completely separate lobby, completely separate car park.
And the big one is Chef Mickey's.
Chef Mickey's is in the big one, yeah. So obviously there are advantages of staying in there, and in my opinion there's advantages of staying in this one. So I'll quickly walk to the entrance of this one. It looks far away, but really it's like I could be in that building within 2 minutes. I could be on the 4th floor within 5. So, but this is the entrance to the garden wing, and then we're just going to catch the lift there up to the 3rd floor. Right, we're nearly at the room now. We're a bit far away because we're in a water view, but as you can see the corridors are quite long, but we're nearly there now. And we literally have vendors, ice there, which are just standard Disney prices, $5-6 for a drink. You going to open the door, Thomas? Good job. Right, I'm not even going to apologise for the mess, by the way, because I know we've had it before where people say you should tidy up. No, we live in it for the week. We've been in here for a week. We can give you a proper review because we've been in here for a week. So as you go into your left, you've got the bathroom. So you've got your 2 sinks, shower, and the loo's just in there with a separate door. The only thing to note with this, and we did know before anyone says, you don't get a bath. Obviously we know we've got little ones. For the week we're here, we knew that, and I just took them in the shower, held them in the shower, the little one. Then the other side of this door, you've just got storage, which you're definitely going to need. 3 drawers, load of hangers, bit of storage up there. Next one along, we've got more storage, drawers, safe, and then a bit more storage here, and a fridge in there which cools to, I converted it's 41 Fahrenheit, it turns out to be 5 Celsius. That's just your connecting door, obviously if you get a connecting room, and this is the room. So we get,
I need a drink of milk.
You need a drink of milk.
One moment then.
So you get your 2 queen beds, and we've converted this, so it would just be a sofa if you didn't need it. We've converted it to a sofa bed for Thomas, and then you get a little poofy over there. That table, was that table in the middle or in front of?
It was like in front of the sofa. It was like a little.
We've moved it out of the way.
We needed the space, really.
But this is your water view.
Beautiful.
And then see if we can open this. Take the child locks off. There we go. And that's what you're getting with your water view, which it cost us for the week. I can't recall how it was like £50 or £100 more for this view. It's a bit noisy. I don't know if you can just see him cutting the grass down there. It's not normally that noisy, but we only paid a small amount more. He's just down there, Thomas. We only paid a small amount more for the water view, and in my opinion, if you get the water view, you're going to end up with what we deem as a quieter room, because the water views have to be right at the end of the wings. If you want a quieter room, book a water view. If you want a room closer to the hotel and the car park, probably book a resort view, because then you'll look out over into the car park. People sort of moan about how far away it is to the 4th floor. We weren't that bothered. It takes 5 minutes, I'd say max. Way closer to the pool than you are in the main building. So if you want to go in the pool, you're better off in this building. But overall, we've enjoyed our stay here. We would book again, which is saying something. That means obviously we like it and we would. And I'll just show you that as a last port call. That is the cot that they've provided us. That's a Disney cot. So that's what you get. So I'll leave this video here, and we'll catch you when we move to the next hotel.